Today I'm going to teach you on how you can make a touch screen that the touch is working before and suddenly the touch stop working. I'm going to teach you on how you can make it to stop working like before. As you can see, this touch screen, see it here. You see, let me play music to show you. So, like, share, subscribe, and comment to my YouTube channel. So after watching this video, you learn how to do the touch to start working. So let's go. Go to this search, the search icon that is here. You click on it. You search for device manager. This is it. You click on it. You click on it. Then this place that is human interface device. You click on it. This place that is touch screen, you right click on it. You see update drivers, disable device, uninstall device. Then you click uninstall. So if you uninstall it, you wait for a while, let it load finish, then you close it. Do you see it's not touching? So after you uninstall it, it will stop touching. But if your laptop the touch is not working, if you uninstall it and restart it and restart, so it's on. Now the touch screen is not working. Let me play music.
Yeah, you've seen it. Okay. Then your name, I'll give your name. Eh, okay. So we say this. You say no. Okay. Okay. So you also text it on message to me. Alright.
You see, now the touch is not working. She said she want the banana. So, assuming your touch screen stop working, this is how you do it to make it to start working. Through that place, through device manager, you can disable your touch screen, you can disable the touch, and also you can enable it back anytime you like. So thank you for watching. Bye.